You can actually smash through your TPs trading gold so easily with the right mindset and approach to the market. Watch this live. Right, so this is gold on a 15 minutes time frame, and as you can see, this is live market, recorded this live, right? And I'm going to go long right after the closure of this candle here. So I'm just recording this live so you guys will have that confidence in trading gold just like I do, right? Like I always say, even in my previous video, I was like, gold trading isn't that difficult that people think it is. All you need to do is to just focus on your trading strategy, have a solid trading edge, and then always make sure that your risk management is strongly in check. When these three things are strongly in check, trust me, trading gold will be so simple for you that you wouldn't even fear to make decisions and execute trades on the market. You know, when it comes to trading, I wouldn't want to stress myself and complicate things too much. Just stick to the basics. The basics, the simple things you do on the market really pays a lot. So I just stick to the basics, no complications, no stress, and I pull the trigger. Right, so let's just wait and see how this candle is going to close. And I'm aiming, like I said earlier, I'm aiming to go long on this one, right? So let's just wait for the candle to close, right? Yeah, so the candle just closed and I'm gonna go long right here, right this moment. Yeah, and I'm putting my stop loss below this very low. Okay, and I'm targeting. This is where I'm targeting, right? Basically, yes, 1:2 risk to reward. Basically, that's it. Let's just wait and see how this is gonna play out, all right? Yeah, so if you check the 5 minutes time frame, I see this to be a pullback, right? I see this to be a pullback. So if you put on your fib right here, you could see that the rejections really align perfectly within those levels. That gives me so much confidence that this is going to rally more to the upside, right? Yeah, so back to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, so there we go. Finally smashed that target. Hopefully this video gives you some kind of confidence on the market when trading gold. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.